What's up guys, Pop101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you update 1.2 of Trials of the Shinobi. We have a couple new items, 7 total spells, and custom NPCs. So let's get started. For the first of our custom NPCs, Sasuke Uchiha. And yes, his attacks just went right through me. It's the new Kisame spell for the Trials of the Shinobi. Any enemy that hits you, or at least that tries, will not as long as you hold the trigger, so. Next we have Naruto Uzumaki himself. I know what you're thinking. He is a little bit terrifying to look at, but since this video has come out, he has been updated to look a lot more realistic. But if you think that's cool, just wait till you see this. The Tsuchikage's Atomic Dismantling Jutsu. Now that's cool. And the last NPC of this video, Kisame. I know what you're thinking. Yes, he doesn't have the Samehara, but just like Sasuke, when I finish making all of the custom waves, I will actually get him to hold the weapon that he's supposed to. Now that's actually pretty cool. I do plan on adding Sakura as well, so just wait. So just to go over the spells, Shuriken Spawner, which can spawn electric shurikens. Yes, we added it. Shadow Clone Jutsu. Push of the trigger, you surround your enemy, and you will always win. Hopefully, that is. Next, Rasen Shuriken. But I will tell you guys, it has been upgraded. It now explodes properly, just like the anime. And there goes Kisame. Besides for that, we do have our Kamui spell, which makes us intangible. We have our Rasengan. The VFX have been updated a little bit. Chidori like always. And then Atomic Dismantling. Now it doesn't get rid of everybody, just a disclaimer, it only gets rid of the one that it touches. So for example, this guy with the helmet. There he goes. There they all go. So, just so you guys know, the update is coming out pretty soon. So be patient. And if you guys like Trials of the Shinobi, if you like the mods that I make, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. Hi, Kisame. If you'd like to support the channel and myself, there is a link below to my Patreon and my new merch store, so you can pick up Pop101 merch. Great way to support the channel, and it looks really cool too. But besides for that, if you want to learn how to mod, hang out, just talk to the community, there's also a link below to my Discord server. But with that, thank you for watching.